In the dilution lab, transfer the 20% stock solution into a beaker prior to pipetting.
The stock solution is the original concentration of a solution.
In this case, we use a 20% stock solution. A dilution is a less concentrated version of the solution that comes from adding water to a stock solution. To calculate the concentration of the dilution, use the equation C1 times V1 equals C2 times V2. C1 refers to the concentration of the original stock solution, V1 refers to the initial volume of the stock solution, C2 refers to the concentration of the dilution, which is what you are calculating for, and V2 refers to the final volume of the solution. To begin diluting a solution, start by using a pipette to draw up the 20% stock solution by squeezing the bulb on the top of the pipette and releasing. The solution will draw up into the pipette. Here, you will remove the bulb and place your finger on the top of the pipette prior to taking the initial measurement. Here, you should mark your measure to the bottom of the meniscus.
It is formed by molecules climbing up the wall of the cylinder, and it's shown by a dip, and you measure from the bottom of the meniscus.
Is that the graphing assignment? Oh.
And so this one, if you're measuring it, it would be 53 milliliters to be exact, measuring at the bottom of the meniscus.
However, in this lab, you will measure the volume using a pipette instead of a graduated cylinder because it is more accurate. Record your data in your notebook properly, showing the initial and final volumes. In this experiment, the solution's initial volume was 4.61 milliliters and the final volume was 9.38 milliliters. After noting the initial volume of stock solution within the pipette,
Release some solution into the volumetric flask and note the final volume. To dilute the solution, you must pipette water into the volumetric flask until the bottom of the meniscus reaches the mark.
Now you have your finished dilution. This solution is 7.45% concentrated. After finishing the lab, wipe up any excess solution that was on the work table and clean all your beakers, volumetric flasks, and pipette properly.